Hello everybody and welcome to the first video of 2019, which will be a decluttering my makeup video. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of makeup on my living room floor that I really need to go through and sort whatever I want to keep, what not, what I still have to try and hopefully review them. So if you want to see me organize these, please keep on watching. So I managed to sort everything out. That pile in there, it's what's going away. Maybe some of them to friends and some of them to the bin because they had their time. And in this side in here, it's what I'm keeping. I tried my best to put them in a specific category, but now we'll have to sort that out. My biggest concern are the pallets in there, especially the big one, because I'm not sure where I'm going to store that. But yeah, I have all these containers in here, and we'll see what we can figure out. So I'm back after I've finished all my decluttering and throwing up all the makeup I didn't need. And this is how my desk looks right now. I do have these plastic containers in here, the acrylic ones, and what I did in here is here I have all my lipsticks and my lip liners and eyeliners on the top portion in here. In these two drawers I have new stuff that I want to try out and I need to remember that, so that's why I put them in here. The last drawer in here is just everything, and in these two big drawers I've put my makeup that I'm using for, firstly I thought I will use this for 1 month and then change it after 1 month, but I think I'll do this weekly. So for this week this is the makeup I chose and I've put it right in here. Then in there I have my mirror and makeup brushes which need to be cleaned. In here I have some palettes that I didn't have any space to fit them, and then we can move down to the drawer in here to see how I organized everything. It's not perfect, but still it's much more functional than it was before. So here I have, on the first container in here I have all my lip glosses and liquid lipsticks, then foundation, primers, powder and concealer, what I'm using. Then in this one are smaller palettes, the back one are a bit bigger palettes, and the last two in there I have in this one bronzers and highlighters put together, and the last one in here are blushes and I think it's single blushes, some cream eyeshadows and one pigment. So this is the best I could do with the space I have and with the makeup I have. I know it's not that much, but I don't honestly need that much. I'm trying to focus on quality and not quantity. So yeah, if you guys want more videos like this where I declutter some part of my home, please leave it in the comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!